I wasn't always an early bird. I used to wake up probably 30 minutes before school would start, quickly have a piece of toast, hop in the shower, quickly brush my teeth, and tackle the day feeling like a zombie. So one day I decided I wanted to be more productive with my days and spend more time for myself. So what I did was I decided to set my alarm to around 4:50, hoping this would be the answer. After waking up, I would grab my earphones and walk to a mountain called Mount Painter, which was about a 10-minute walk from my house and a 15-minute walk to the top of the peak.
Morning.
Hey.
It's something about watching the sun come up that makes you appreciate the little things a bit more, and it really puts you in a mode of zen and clarity. I personally never understood why people make the commitment and have the discipline to wake up so early in the morning. I viewed it as a disadvantage because I would feel tired each time I rarely did so. But as I have made a conscious effort to wake up early, I have come to understand and appreciate why some of the most successful people emphasize the importance of starting your day off early.